Alrighty, now that I'm back in this room, I am looking through the windows and curtains to see the beautiful sky view. And you guys might be wondering, why am I doing this? Why do I keep doing it? This is only for me to give updates. That's how it goes. And it's beautiful outside, and I wonder if there's birds outside flying around. Or maybe just walking around, going through trees or bushes. Not 100% sure. Apparently there are turkey vultures that fly around here before, but I haven't been seeing them like forever. And I'm trying to figure out what kind of birds that I have never seen before flying around in circles, doing the same thing like these swallow-tailed kites are doing. So, I'm gonna go outside and check to see if there's birds outside, just hanging out or flying around. Let's get to it. You see, I'm trying to figure out what kind of bird that is. Like, we don't have those type of birds in Florida that are flying so high. Just look at it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look on Google to see what kind of bird that is flying. Cause look, it's about to be darker, and that bird is flying, still in a high breeze flight. They better be careful, the plane's right there. We never had that type of bird like this before. When you're living in Texas, this is the only bird you'll see flying in the sky, And it takes off. There's these birds again. The ones that I'm trying to figure out what they are. Because like I said before, we don't have those type of birds that are flying in Tampa. Where I live, we don't have those type of birds. They just remind me of those swallowtail kites, how they're flying. Let me get this one on camera right here. Yep, that's the weird bird that I've never seen before. There's another one. That's really weird. So these birds can leave whenever they feel like leaving. They're not just like the turkey vultures or what do you call that other bird? The great white egret. They're not just like them. Sound like these children at a park over there having a good time. Which is good. Really good. Well, what's this? Hold on a second. Don't tell me that's a starling. Look, do you see it? Look. Guess I won't be able to see it because it's getting darker. Look. The camera can't see it no more. It disappeared. That was a Starlink. If you guys want to know how do I know that's a Starlink, get the app called Stellarium, and it'll show you what they are. Is there another one? That's crazy. That was a Starlink. This is the first time I got it here in Texas. And I thought I saw something flashed from the corner of my eye in the sky. Probably a shooting star or meteor. Who knows? But wow. I can't believe I saw that. It's kind of beautiful. I like those lights. They could change into any different type of colors. Cool, right?